They tried to kill Haiti in the past. They tried to rape Haiti today, but not tomorrow. How can I become this warrior that write in Creole from this lover boy that wrote in French, my colonizer's language, from quand un frisson traverse mes terres, que le béton me couvre de poussière, quand mes enfants perdent père et mère, que leur prénom soit de vos prières. So I was singing about Haiti's earthquake, but in French, right? And then a few informations later, I've come to change to write about pour tous ancêtres nous yo, barre yo, pour tous ancêtres nous yo, mare yo, prends toute petite nous yo, pare yo. So the change happened by the information that I've received, that it's not about who you've been in the past, but who you aspire to be in the future. And if all the information you have about Haiti is our glorious history, but you don't have information about what we have today, that we have an even more glorious history that's people are gonna tell about you, not about your ancestors, but about you, the Haitians of today. Then you've come to say, c'est pas jodi à voler Haïti, c'est pas jodi à violer Haïti, c'est pas jodi à piller Haïti, c'est pas jodi à tuer Haïti. So what it is about, it's about they tried to kill Haiti in the past. They tried to rape Haiti today, but not tomorrow. Because we've come to know what we have under our land. The shield behind me represents the gold that we have, the copper, the iridium, the oil reserve that is under Haiti. And then you've come to understand not only your past, but you've come to understand your responsibility for the future, not only of Haitians, the future of human beings in the world. And if you align the riches that we have under our land to the new technology and the blockchain, knowing that you can attach 1 square foot of Haitian land to one token, and that by doing so, you invite Haitians that are rich in minerals but poor in currency. You give them the freedom to be who the designer have designed them to be. So this is why I sing. Yo fait nous croire que c'est petit esclave nous yé. Ça fait nous que chien yo mérité pas scène. Peuple Israël pas ta pour jamais accepter. Pour li driver en bas notre nationalité. Pour tous ancêtres nous yo. Barrio. So, when I do the treasure hunt for my birthday, I do it because it's the best gift that I can give to myself. Is to make you guys aware of everything that we have hidden under our soil. There's one verse that I say says, Iridium pata pou fè nou pi pov, pase te paysan kap viv nan mon. So, by knowing what you have under your land, knowing now that you have the technology that makes you capable to trade with the rest of the world, the reason why Haiti is poor today, it's because we use our riches to help free Greece, help free America, to help protect the Jews when they wanted to escape Nazism. We use our resources back then and our goal to finance great Venezuela's independence. We are the one who hosted the summit between Bolivar for Colombia and Xavier Mina for Mexico and give them strategies on how to defeat Spain in order to provide freedom to South and Central America. So imagine if we had done that in the past with the technology that we had in the past to dig the little amount of gold that represented 1/3 of France's GDP. Imagine now with the technology they have detected that Haiti is a sleeping giant when it comes to copper, which is represented in the shield. And now that you align the international mineral market to the new technology of blockchain, imagine what impact we can have in the world. That's why it's important for you to join Captain Haiti's treasure hunt. Find the QR codes, scan them, and you get to own, if not 1 square foot of Haiti, to 2,000 square feet of Haiti, just participating. So support what I do. Donate $18.04. You will receive 1 square foot of Haiti in reward by donating to the Captain Haiti Foundation. And not only that, you get to find QR codes that give you ownership of a piece of land in real life, aligning tech and natural resources, talking about our future, not only our past, honoring our kids and grandkids, great grandkids, the same way that we honor Dessalines and we honor Toussaint Louverture, Francois Mackendal. That's what the Captain Haiti Foundation is about. That's how I've come to sing. Sur une île au destin tragique, dans une ville aux bâtiments fragiles, ma main droite posée sur ma Bible, j'ai vécu ce qui m'était possible. Can you hear the sadness in my voice? And then I translated it too. Oui, c'est le combat pied nous cap pesé nous. Oui, c'est cuivre combat nous cap touye nous. Iridium pata pour faire nous pi pauvres. Parce que t'es paysans cap vivent dans le monde. C'est pas jodi à payer Haïti. C'est pas jodi à touye Haïti. C'est pas jodi à piller Haïti. C'est pas jodi à touye Haïti. This is Captain Haiti. To support my work, go to CaptainHaitiDAO.com. The secret is in the name. Captain Haiti, DAO.com. Decentralized autonomous organization. Self-governance and decentralized finance. Imagine if you have a token backed by the natural resources of your country, not digged out of the land, but the potential of the future, the same way that our human potential haven't been fully tapped in. It's the same way our land reserves so much riches for the world. So thank you, CaptainHaitiDAO.com.